welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Katrina. My job is to help you speak and read Mandarin Chinese with confidence and joy. In today's lesson, we're going to talk about the most commonly used verbs of Mandarin Chinese for beginners. So if you're a beginner of Mandarin Chinese, you want to feel good about speaking basic Mandarin conversation with your friends, family, then you have to watch this one. And after this one, you can go back to my channel and watch the previous two video lessons also about the same topic with different verbs that you can learn. Now, without further ado, let's get started. The first one is 去,qi yu 去, which means to go to. So 去 somewhere. For example, 你要去哪里? Where are you going? So literally, you want to go where? 你要去哪里? So 哪里 is a question word, where? 你要去哪里? Remember to repeat after me. 你要去哪里? If you want to answer this question and say, I want to go to the supermarket, you can say, 我要去超市. 超市 is supermarket. So literally, I'm going to the supermarket. I want to go to the supermarket. 我要去超市. Next one is to do. In Mandarin is 做. 自我做 to do. What are you doing in Mandarin Chinese is 你在做什么? 你在做什么? Literally means you are doing what? 你在做什么? 做什么 to do what? The next sentence is 你做得很好. You're doing a good job. 你做得很好. 很好 very good. 做 to do. 做得很好. The next one is 借. 基耶借. This verb is very tricky because it could be to borrow and also be to lend. For example, 你可以借我一支笔吗? Can you lend me a pen? 你可以 so can use asking for permission. 借我 so to lend somebody. 借 somebody. 你可以借我一支笔 a pen. So 支 here is a measure word for a pen. 你可以借我一支笔吗? And then to borrow using 借, you could say 他常常跟朋友借钱. 他常常 means often. So he often 跟朋友 here literally means from friends. So he often from friends 借钱 borrow money. So here you can see that to borrow something from someone, the structure is 跟 somebody 借 something. So from somebody and borrow something. 跟朋友借钱 to borrow money from friends. 他常常跟朋友借钱. The next verb is 工作. 工作 meaning to work. This can be a noun and a verb. So as a noun, it means job. And as a verb, it means to work. 工作. I work in Taiwan. 我在台湾工作. 我在台湾工作. So I in Taiwan work. From this sentence, you can see a word order. Subject, place, and action. So 我 is the subject. 在台湾 is place. And 工作 is the action or purpose. 我在台湾工作 with the structure. Or another sentence, 我也想去台湾工作. 我也想去台湾工作. 也 here means also. So I also would like to. 想 here means would like to. 去 to go to. 我也想去. I also would like to. 台湾工作. I also would like to go to Taiwan and work. The next one is 点, which means to order. This verb is very useful when you travel to Taiwan or go to China and you want to order something. You will definitely hear the verb 点 to order. For example, 我想点一份薯条. I would like to order an order of fries. 我想 I would like to. 点 to order. 一份 an order. 薯条 French fries. 我想点一份薯条. I would like to order an order of fries. Next, 你要点什么 What do you want to order? 你要 you want to 点 to order 什么你要点什么 So to answer this question, you only have to say 我要点 something something. I want to order or 我想点 something something. I would like to order something something. I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and if you want to further improve your speaking with me, you can click the link down below and join my beginner's Chinese course where I offer curriculum lesson and 6 weeks of speaking coaching section with me. I look forward to help you improve your Mandarin speaking skills inside the course and with my coaching section. The next verb is 说说 to say or to speak 说 For example, 你在说什么 What are you saying? 你在说什么说什么 means to say what. 在 represents in the middle of something, so you are talking about what. 你在说什么 What are you saying? 你在说什么 Or if you want to tell people, I know how to speak a little bit Mandarin Chinese. In Mandarin, that would be 我会说一点中文我会说一点中文我会 I know how to 说一点 say a little 中文 Mandarin Chinese. The next verb is 笑 to laugh. For example, 他很爱笑 literally means he very loved to laugh. So here means that this person likes to laugh, he laughs very often. 他很爱笑 So 很爱 literally means very love to. So if someone loves to do something very much, you could say 很爱 and do something. 很爱笑 love to laugh very much. 很爱笑 Or I could ask a person 你笑什么 What are you laughing? 你笑什么 You laugh at what? What's so funny? 你笑什么你笑什么So 笑 to laugh. The next verb is 玩 玩 literally means to play, but also means to go out and have fun, having a good time. So that could also mean 玩 For example, 你要去哪里玩 If you hear a person ask you this question, 你要去哪里玩 literally means you want to go where to play, but play 玩 here in Mandarin Chinese sentence means that where are you going to go out to have fun or to travel. The next one is if you want to say the kids are having fun playing or enjoying time or traveling or doing anything having fun, you could say 孩子们玩得很高兴孩子们 kids 玩的 play 很高兴 very happy. So the kids are having fun playing 玩得很高兴 The next one is 需要需要 means need. For example, 请问需要什么 This you will hear very often from a waiter, waitress, or a salesperson in a clothing shop or at any shops. 请问 is may I ask? 需要 means need. Here they omit the subject 你 because you know a person is talking to you. So the subject 你 you can be omitted. 请问需要什么 May I ask what do you need? 请问需要什么 The next example is 我需要一点时间 I need a little time. 我需要 I need 一点 a little 时间 time 我需要一点时间 The next verb is 开车开车 literally means to drive car. So drive 开 is a verb and 车 meaning car. It's a verb object verb. 爸爸天天开车去工作爸爸 dad 天天 which means every day 开车去工作Drive car to work. So dad every day drives to work. 爸爸天天开车去工作 The next verb is 闻 to smell. For example, 你闻看看这是什么味道你闻 to smell. And 闻看看 is to take a smell. 闻看看 这是什么味道？味道 is the smell as a noun. So you take a smell and see what smell is it. 你闻看看，这是什么味道？ So after smelling, you say, okay, I cannot tell what smell is that. You can say, 我闻不出来，这是什么味道？我闻不出来，这是什么味道？ I can't tell by smelling. So 闻不出来 I smell but I don't know. 我闻不出来，这是什么味道？ What smell is this? The next verb is 试 to try. For example, 你要试试看吗？ Do you want to give it a try? So 试试看 meaning to give it a try. 试试看 Sometimes you might hear people say 试看看 Both means to give it a try. And if you want to say let me try, in Mandarin is 我试试看我试试看 or 我试看看 Let me try 我试试看 or 我试看看 The next one is 开始 which means to begin or to start. For example, 中文课开始了吗？中文课 Mandarin class 开始了 Get started. 吗 is a yes/no question word. So 中文课开始了吗？ The Mandarin lesson started yet? 中文课开始了吗？ Or you could say 从明天开始我要减肥。从明天开始，从 meaning from. So starting from tomorrow, 从明天开始，我要 I want to 减肥 to lose weight. So starting from tomorrow, I'm going to lose weight. 从明天开始，我要减肥。The next one is 结束。结束 meaning to end. For example, you could say 你的工作结束了吗？ So 你的工作 your job 结束了 and 吗 is a yes/no question. So did your job end already? So if you want to say if something ends already, you could say something 结束了吗? So did something end already? For example, if you want to say does the meeting end already, you could say 会议结束了吗? Does the meeting end already? 会议结束了吗? I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and if you want to further improve your speaking with me, you can click the link down below and join my beginner's Chinese course where I offer curriculum lesson and 6 weeks of speaking coaching section with me. I look forward to help you improve your Mandarin speaking skills inside the course and with my coaching sections, and I will see you inside the program. 再见